In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to find and open a recorder app that's already on your device. It should be in Samsung folder. Once you find it, click on it and tap on Allow in all pop-ups. Now, to start recording, use red button at the bottom. But if you want to adjust some settings beforehand, click on those three lines on the left and use this gear at the top right corner. Then manage all of those however you want to, like recording quality. When you finished, go back and use red button I mentioned before. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To listen to it, pause it, swipe it on the track, and use play button here. As you can see, you record. And to record overlay section of your recording, pick it by swiping, and then use red button to record overlay. To end and save your recording, use this button of a square. Then name it and hit save. Now to play it, click on it and enjoy it. If you want to, you can skip it 1 second each way. Add bookmarks while listening. Use this icon here at the bottom right corner to check out all of those. Bookmarks to see all of them. Repeat so your track will be on constant repeat. Skip silences. And speed. To manage it even more, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on scissors icon, it's my favorite feature, and edit your recording. Pick a part you wanna manage. Click on scissors icon and decide if you want to keep this selected section and delete everything else or the other way around. Then hit save at the top right corner and save it as new recording or replace the original one. If you want to play it now, click on it like before. If you want to manage it on the list though, you need to hold it and use those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!